Today we are going to review the Creative Market Bundle. If you now ask yourself, what on earth is a Creative Market Bundle? Well, that's a bundle which is released each and every month with about 80 products for a super low price. And that is the amazing thing. Right now it's just $39 and there are 81 products included, and all of these products are for all your creative adventures, and you can even use it commercially. So when you buy this bundle, you have 81 products you can use to create your very own designs and to make something you can sell. And that's an amazing price. So even if you just want to try things out, this bundle is for you. So let me quickly swipe through everything which is in this bundle. So I won't comment on everything, I want to give you a quick overview. You can of course always visit the website from Creative Market. You find the link here under this video, but I wanted to make sure that you really get a notification about this amazing bundle, because if you are a creative entrepreneur, this is for you. You shouldn't resist, you just get it. It's for all every time, and you can always make products from this. So there is the standard commercial use license included, which means that you can sell up to 500 copies from whatever you create. And if you sell more, no worries, then you can buy the extended license, and well, then you have the money to do so. So now let's swipe quickly through it. You see lots of graphics, lots of mock-ups, and more, and Scandinavian leaf things, or you cannot just use it for winter, but for many different purposes. And you can create patterns from it, and from these patterns you design your very own product. For example, on Sezzle or a Spreadshirt, make your t-shirts or mugs or whatever you can think of. That's for you. Here you can create vintage photo stripes, which means you put your very own photos into it and make vintage stripes from those. And great thing. Or because when you create a video or something, you can have it through your video, flip it through. Very nice. So more graphics and mock-ups and Pinterest bundle, as well as an Instagram bundle from the same designer, which means you have a nice look and feel, a very nice branding. And you cannot just create 5 or 10 images from that, as many as there are included. You can literally create hundreds of different images for your Instagram or Pinterest stream, because you can always exchange the images and put in something new with new text and with new colors and such. Everything is customizable. Perfect thing. And let me just swipe through that, and you see what is included. So many different things, leaves, and of course also fonts, which is also always cool that you have different fonts included, because there are so many options what you can do with these different fonts. Or a magazine style here, more greenery, and for a proposal. Let's see what else is included. Here you see patterns, and with these patterns you create designs, your own products, for example pillows or something. Of course, you don't have to just create it for your home, you can sell that. Brushes, often they are for Procreate, which is an iPad app. And here on the channel you find also other Procreate brushes sets, which I have reviewed and show you how to install these brushes. So this might be also something for you, but I don't want to explain too many things. So this is a beautiful font. It's really just jumped into my eye, and I thought this is something I create, something for summer with. Pina colada also sounds like summer. And imagine all the great designs you can create from just this font. let me quickly swipe through it. You see there's so many things and I really don't want you to be bored here from our videos, so let me just quickly show you what's going on here. You see you can create logos from that or cards. If you ever thought about doing freelance work for website design, or maybe you want to create a logo and sell it, that's your bundle. Safari and patterns from that. You see, just swiping through these different things takes forever because, as I said, 81 products for just $39. Pretty cool. And these cuties, why not create wall art, and you can, or you have it printed and put it on the wall of your child's room? Why not? That's another amazing thing you can do with them. Of course, put them together, maybe at a phone or something, you write a quote, maybe something like that, and then you have something really unique for your child's bedroom, or to sell, of course. Okay, let me slowly stop here. I know we are nearly through, and you see there are so many amazing things also for upcoming Christmas season or winter season in general, where you can create some mock-ups with some images, some header images, whatever you can think of. No matter if it's digital or if you want to create real products, this is your bundle. Greenery is always good. And yeah, that's it. Now you have seen all 81 products. I know I said it several times, 81 products for $39. So no matter what you do next, click on the link below and check out this bundle and see if you want to secure this bundle for you.